And I'll be worried about him, yeah. I think he's just the man for you, yeah.
What's your experience so far?
Damn. Hey lovies, what's going on? Today we are on our way to
Bamboo.
No, YS Falls.
YS Falls.
Yeah, so we're going to YS Falls today, and you know, we're just planning. I mean, we're running a bit late because they're closing maybe the next hour and a half or so. But once we reach, we should be fine. So yeah, we're hoping to have a good little time. I know at Holland Bamboo they have resident rates and they have international rates. But you know, we are residents.
Of course, we're residents. We're from
You're
Jamaica.
not going to come up here with your...
Nah, we're from Jamaica, so it ain't gonna be a problem. They're gonna know I'm Jamaican, so it's gonna be easy. No problem.
Every time me and this young man go out, we get into some problem because people want to charge us double and triple because he has a look. I don't know what that look is.
The beach rich for me, left the rich for me.
Oh yeah, come with us as we have a nice little time. I'm planning on going on the Zipline. I don't know if I might change my mind, but we'll see. You know we're driving and I don't even check the map. You realize? I can't trust no directions and you never know that.
Let me see.
What's that sign?
From my side.
Jamaica Zoo. We reach! Yeah guys, so we reach now and we're mad up the thing. Chat it.
Huh?
Chat it? Chat the thing, mommy.
You know what's going down, we.
Where the soul must go? Here? Oh.
Hello.
Hi. Upon it. Thank you. Look on the road, guys. Alright, thank you. That's the truck we were just on. It's a little ride. So now we're going to change and everything. But this place is so beautiful. I haven't been here for ages. From I was a child. And you know that's a long time ago, right? But yeah, this is so beautiful. The sun gone in and it's just perfect for me. Can't bother with a loud sun, but the warmth is giving and I love it here.
How long is it?
Depends on how many persons are going.
Approximately how
One
long
person,
would it take?
15 to 20 minutes.
Right? Ready? Thank you.
Initially, I wanted to do the zip line, but I hear the lady saying it's five zip lines, so it's not just one. For me, Mystic Mountains kind of scare me when it comes to zip lining, so I'll just stay out.
Oh man, but that's a joke thing. It's a real thing. You ready?
You ready for it?
Oh, you're ready for me. Tour guide.
I know I said it already, but I have to say it again. This place is so beautiful. So beautiful. Huh? Yeah, it's so beautiful. If you have never been here before, you need to come and check out Wyeth Falls. Rich in nature, cool, and the place is, did I say it? Beautiful, yeah. Lord, what a piece of walking though. Brace yourself for the steps. Oh my God, I'm tired. Go Troy. Hey, you're not wimp out when you get there, you know?
Yeah, this is fun.
Don't be a wimp. Don't be like me.
Swing, lift up your bottom, you know. You can't let go, you can't let go, you have to swing. Go, go. Remember to stand up. Remember to stand up when you let go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. One man, you alright, go. Step back. You need little momentum, man. Good. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Tell the people about your experience so far.
Shame. Shame. Whew. That was so fun. I had a big fail, but such is life. You don't feel tired to be climbing so much steps today?
Huh?
You don't feel tired and drained?
Hey, once you reach up a Zipline, people they must be work up now.
No, sir.
I'll be like crazy.
It's a nice okay exercise today. No joke. Oh, but we made it. Hold on, have we? No, we don't make it yet. We're going all the way up there. My throat feels dry. Yeah. No, me too. Oh, man. We need to reach now, like literally now. No, up there. Right there. Right where the lady is. In the black. Boy. Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
Yep. It's time to go home. I wonder if we can catch this. Come on. Relax now, brother. Lord, it look like it finished now. It's fully full.
Everybody go to breakfast.
And I'll be worried about him next time you know the truth. I think it's just meant for you.
So we're all done. How was it?
Good, it was incredible.
Can't hear you.
It was good. I wish I had more time. Really fun.
Yeah, I like that it was short and spicy, to be honest. Yeah.
Could have been a nice family trip.
Yeah, definitely. So maybe we can think about the family coming here one day.
Yeah.
Everybody, and just have a good time. But yeah, it was a good day. Kind of happy that we stopped. It was an impromptu trip, but sometimes you need some. Thanks, babe. Oh, Lord. Sometimes you need some of those impromptu trips, and you know, it makes life so much more meaningful. We're just on our way to town, you know, and let's just stop by YS, and here we are.
Also locks the focus. With a professional camera, this does the same thing, but I totally forgot you can double tap and you can separate the exposure
From the focus.
and then you can decide what it is you want to focus on. I didn't remember that until just now.
Better late than never, your friend.
It's definitely too late.
Back on the road again. We have how much stops? I want KFC. So we're gonna try KFC at Santa Cruz. Hopefully it's not too packed. And then
And you can only hope.
stop in Manchester. And then home. So thanks for watching another video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, feel free to
Like, comment, share, subscribe.
very good.
True what?
Relax now.
True what? True
Jeez, bro. What the? Listen.
what? True what?
You can't go strong. Anyways, guys.
True what?
Let me turn this down. Yeah, so like, subscribe, share. Bye.